In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix checkout issues in Shopify. Core settings, app conflicts, and checkout layout adjustments. If your customers are running into errors at checkout or payments aren't going through, start by confirming the foundations. Open your admin and go to Settings, then Payments. Make sure your payment gateway shows as active and verified, and that it's configured for the currencies you actually sell in. If a test mode toggle exists, make sure it's turned off so real payments can process. While you're there, confirm your API keys are entered correctly and haven't expired. A quick refresh can help too. Deactivate and reactivate the provider, and if you have access to an alternate provider, switch to it temporarily to see if the issue persists. That comparison tells you whether the problem is provider-specific. Next, confirm your shipping logic. Head to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery, and review your zones, rates, and rules. Every location you plan to ship to should be covered by a zone with a valid rate. Missing coverage often blocks checkout. Adjust any mismatch conditions like order weight or price thresholds that could be excluding customers by accident. Now check taxes. In Settings, open Taxes, and ensure your tax collection settings match your region's requirements. Incorrect regions or registrations can cause calculation failures that stop checkout from completing. With the basics verified, rule out conflicts. In Settings, open Checkout and temporarily remove or disable any checkout-related apps or recent integrations. Test, then re-add them one at a time. When the problem returns after re-adding a specific app, you've found the conflict. Browser issues are common too. Clear your cache and cookies, try a different browser, or open an incognito or private window. Disable any browser extensions, especially those that modify pages or block scripts, and test again. Also test on another device. Try a mobile phone or the Shopify mobile app to see if the behavior changes. If it works elsewhere, you're likely looking at a device-specific or browser-specific problem. Finally, adjust your checkout customization. Go to Settings, then Checkout, and click Customize to open the editor. In the Checkout Layout section, switch between one-page checkout and three-page checkout if you're seeing issues with one format. If you've edited your theme's checkout code, consider reverting to the default settings or contact support for guidance before making further edits. Follow these checks methodically, and you'll isolate the cause and get customers checking out smoothly again.